Hi everyone, this is Tony Correa, and today guys I'm going to be talking about Bluehost VPS hosting. Yes, so the first step we're going to be taking today is going down and click in the link that is provided under the video description. So then you will be redirected to this website, and then you can see that Bluehost has many types of hosting: web hosting, WordPress hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated hosting, and many other features. For example, we choose here, we click here, and then we go to VPS hosting. Yes, so as you can see, the guys from Bluehost offer you the best plans when it comes to VPS hosting. For example, they have four packages when it comes to VPS hosting. For example, in the first package, you're going to be paying $46.99 per month, in which you're going to be getting your 2 CPU cores, 4GB DDR5 RAM, 100GB NVMe storage, and many other features. Yes, it's when we talk about the standard NVMe 4. So you have then the recommended one, that is the enhanced NVMe 8. More storage means more room to play. So you guys are going to have more velocity in your online store or any websites that require more velocity for your website to upload faster. Yes, for example, in this plan you guys are going to be having your 4B CPU cores, 8GB DDR5 RAM, 200GB NVMe storage, and many other features. Also, cPanel license free included, 2 dedicated IPs, and many features. Yes, with the guys from Bluehost that they are offering for you in these 4 plans. Also, you have the custom plan if you need more resources. Yes. Yeah, so let's build your perfect plan together. Included in all our managed VPS hosting plans: 24/7 support, site log security, staging environment, SSH and SFTP access, unlimited bandwidth, free backups, free SSL certificates, 30-day money-back guarantee, and many other features that the guys from Bluehost have for you when it comes to VPS hosting. 24/7 VPS plan guidance. The guys from Bluehost are going to be here to help you. Yes, provision fast, build freely, scale smoothly. Yes, yeah guys, a partner for your server needs. Yes, top-notch performance, powerful NVMe SSD, unlimited domain and websites, and better uptime. Yes, time to upgrade from shared hosting. If you guys have your shared hosting plan, you can ever upgrade to VPS hosting with the guys from Bluehost. Yeah guys, I hope you have liked my video tutorial. Remember that the link for Bluehost VPS hosting comes with a discount and is in the description of my video. Yes guys, I hope to see you soon. Yeah, have a nice day. Take care.